Flamethrowers. Something I've always wanted to build, but would rather not burn down my house with. So instead I'm going to make a smaller version that looks like the Mandalorian's gauntlet. By the looks of it, his flamethrower is super compact and works in charges, which is a good thing because there's an easy lighter mod that allows us to do this. The only problem is its lifespan is super short, so instead we're going to upgrade to this. Now this would have normally worked, except it doesn't have a refillable tab, so instead we're going to have to make our own. As you can see, there's a leak, and it's coming from the nozzle, so in order to fix that, I would need to find a longer one. So maybe a version 2. Thanks for watching.